therapy. Let me talk my shit. Yo, Wizdome, I appreciate you, man. Let me get my shit off. Let me talk you my ever shit. Been shot before? You know that feeling. I smile first, though my mind had me reeling. I make humor out of bad situations. A real guy stands up, wise with his patience. Ever shot back? Whoever did that? I see that face permanent. Revenge is pertinent, addictive like it's Percocets. Enjoy your life when it's clean. The dirt it spreads. Jelly is the jealousy that's dwelling in these worthless men. Low vibes, he's seeking to telepathy. Folks lying to they self for status and celebrity. Fake it till you make it, leave them naked, nothing sexually. That image that you chasing ain't the wave, not the pedigree, Lord. Focus. Open-ended statements leave you open. What you tweet is not the opus. Put your words in the art, that's how you control this. I'm speaking out of L's that they took and that I noticed. I didn't have to fall to win. Not every time I felt pain, but empathy for mine's why I survive. My fortune's in my thinking. Fortunate to have financial fortunes like a kingpin. Unfortunate they slave us uninvested while they winking. They always tell us bad. Uninterested in gaining interest on the land we sinked in and worked in. What else? We built it. What else? We smoked it. What else? They milked it. Crazy. And sniffed it. Kept us open and hopeless, unfocused and shooting and dope shit. No improvements. It's cold shit. In these times you gotta meditate and grow rich. If these lines don't get you high, you want some low shit. My wife was coasting in Dubai, not doing whole shit. She a teacher, I'm a hustler. That's me. Ethnocentric with the capital made Munster. That's me. I enjoy making bread like I'm Wonder. But what's the point if you the only one in comfort? We worked in it, we built it, we smoked in it, they milked it, we sniffed in it, kept us open. Confusion, we unfocused and hopeless and shooting. Only truly love us when we give them music. It's cold shit, let's improve it. Let's talk in more action, let's prove it. This the verse of the year, fuck what critics say. I don't hold grudges, having luncheons ain't no fit of rage. I'm living, I'm occupied. If you catch me on my phone, most of the time I'm a calculator. That's where I'm at. I got formulas figured out. Y'all on the wrong apps. Let me talk. Y'all applying the wrong shit. They want y'all to acclimate. Or should I say, acclimate. Yo, patch into yourself, man. Look, we worked in it, we built it, we smoked in it, they milked it, we sniffed in it, kept us open. Confusion, we unfocused and hopeless and shooting. Only truly love us when we give them music. It's cold shit, let's improve it. Let's talk in more actions, let's prove it. Come on.